This is a Wizard Magneto that I picked up yesterday. Looks like it's mostly complete, fairly nice unit. It's not in too rough a condition. So, thought I'd see what I could do to restore it to operating order. There's not much to it, really. Looks like the main body of the unit is made out of brass and the ends are bronze. The little ID plate says Hercules Electric Company, Indianapolis, Indiana, patented September 20th, 1904. Wizard Magnetos, Type B. There's a missing screw on the brush holder, and the brush is also missing, so I'm sure that's gonna be something to look for. This screw looks bent. It's got a little insulator here. This one does have a brush in it, but the spring is missing. Should be able to find that. There is a little bit of play in here, and there's no removable bushing. And this thing, why don't this want to come off? Ah, there we go. We got it. This does have a replaceable bushing here. I don't know if you can see that or not. You can see the edge of it right here. All in all, it looks pretty clean. Commutator looks good. Shaft looks good. Let me get her. Well, I got the brass and the bronze end caps looking pretty good, so I think I'm just going to stick them back on. Polish up some of these screws. Just going to put them in my drill. And take them over to the polisher. By using the drill to hold the screws, I don't have to worry about it go flying, and they come out looking pretty good. And we're not quite lined up perfect. A little too much. I had lunch with my good friend Bill today, and it turns out he had exactly what I was looking for. This brush was in the machine, and this is what came out of Bill's kit, including the springs. So I'm going to go ahead and get those installed. So we're going to drop the spring in it, drop the brush in it. The brush goes all the way in. Well, that worked great. Okay, we're going to do it different. There's a big hole on top here. And I assume that that hole is to help me install the brush. This one, I had to mill it down slightly, so it's this one. Okay. One down. Because this is solid Bakelite, I can machine it out of there, but as you can see, it's still too big. So I'm going to make a saw cut here and here, glue the two halves together, and then make it out of what's left. Well, I got the two pieces cut in half. I'll take a file and clean up the rough edges where I was not able to saw clear through it. As it got really thin, it just wouldn't saw there. So I'll take care of that and then glue it together with epoxy. Is it perfect? Well, not really. The original's on the right, the one I made is on the left. But it will definitely accomplish the task. It ends up, I put it on a screw and mounted the piece in my drill, turned on my belt sander, and the belt sander cut it down very quickly to the right size. I had tried it in my lathe, but the lathe was causing a little chipping, little tiny chips, so I didn't want that. So what we have is going to work. Okay, it's all back together. I've got a 12-volt automotive bulb connected up, wired to the two terminals here. Little modification I made so I could hook a drill up to this thing to spin it. And we'll give it a go.